Have you heard of Grabie yet? No? Well, let me fill you in. Welcome to Up All Night DIY. I'm Monica. Thanks for joining me. So Grabie is a scrapbooking, art supply, and craft site. They launched their business in January 2021 to help uplift and inspire all of us after the widespread anxiety we felt, as a result of the pandemic. So many of us really leaned into our creativity at that time, and Grabie is a direct result. They reached out to me and asked if I would like to try some of their products. I'm going to share with you the lovely Scrapbooking Subscription Box that they sent to me. Also, if you like what you see, I'll have a link in the comments and in the description box with a discount code for you. It'll save you 15% with the code Monica15. How cool is that? Also, I just want to say that while Grabie is sponsoring this, all opinions are my own. I'll be honest. If I don't like something, I'll be sure to tell you. And if I like something, I'm sure to tell you that too. Let's get into it. First, I want to say that this came really fast. And look at this adorable box. Isn't this box fun? Just love it. It really is a beautiful presentation. Well, I'm already impressed with the packing. Look how pretty. Lovely pink tissue paper. Really nicely packed. Ooh, look at. Already I see pretty acrylic leaf stamps. It's a nice variety. These are sweet. I can always use more stamps. And there's a new ink pad for my new stamps, right on, which I could really use because my old ink pad, my old black ink pad, is just so worn. But I'm thinking this. So, what treasures do we have here? Gorgeous roses with gilding. Let's take a look. This is background paper. Beautiful vellum. So pretty. Several different prints and regular cards too. Glossy and matte. You gotta love that. Very romantic and perfect for the spring. Love it. Now I have to put them back in the wrapper to keep them nice until I use them. And now in this little package is what looks to be some very sweet ephemera, which I just love. Ooh, look at this. Some tiny wee roses. And some little lacy bits. And these are vellum too. All kinds of lovelies. There's a lot of them too. Looks like a little doily. And a doily heart. Really pretty. Little acetate ribbon. Some are vellum, some are acetate. Lots of wee goodies in here. More acetate trim. Looks like lace. Very pretty. Look at a coffee stained one. Cute. Perfect for me. Wow, there really are a lot of pieces in here. More lacy bits. Nice. These are nice too. Look at this vintagey goodness. These are embossed as well. Look at this. Another doily type thing. And I tell you what, these have texture. More vintage like doily acetate pieces. Embossed. Very nice. And these cards are really nice. These are textured as well. Almost have like a fabric feel. Yeah, I'm gonna love using this stuff. Very nice so far. And now I'm gonna put all these away and we'll get on to the next piece. Now this is cool. It's a roll of scripted tea stained paper. Right up my alley. Urza tape. I think it's background sticker. Yes, it's a background sticker. Let's open it up. Take a look. Yeah, this is nice. And I really like the way they presented this. Everything is just so nicely wrapped and so sweet. And who doesn't love opening up little doodads and surprises? And here's a big old clip. Yes, please. And thank you. Pretty color too. It's silver but it has like a goldish thing going on. It's got that vintage vibe. Not quite brass, not that harsh. It's very pretty. So I can tell you right now, this will come in handy. I love little stationery pieces like this. Fun wee gadgets. Here's a big old bag of goodies. Let's take a look and see what's inside. Looks to be lots of treasure in here. Ooh, it says Sleep Us in Seattle. Cool. Let's see. Wee tags. I love tags. I usually print them out on my own, but this is cool. I'll have all these and I won't have to worry about it, at least for the time being. Nice. And it looks like there's several different designs too. Right on. This paper that it's printed on kind of reminds me of like a bar coaster. You know what I mean? That paper. And now this is awesome. Fairies. Yes, please. It's like they know me. Fairy stickers. Right on. Yeah, it looks to be like there's a variety of different fairies with flowers and butterflies. And these are so sweet. I love them. There's several of each design, and there are several designs. They're precious. Love, love, love. Can't wait to use them. So far, I'm digging everything that I've seen in this box. And I gotta tell you, I like this little sliding box too. I'll be able to use that in an assemblage. I'll spare you watching me put them away. Ooh, clocks. Perfect. I have a thing for clocks. I'm sure if you've watched any of my past videos, you've seen clocks come up. That's because they have a steampunk aesthetic, which I also have a thing for. Yeah, I was very excited when I was opening this. Look at a flowered clock face. Very nice. Digging them. Yeah, so far I think these are my fave. I really like that they include a couple of each style. That seems to be the standard here. Everything that I've opened so far has 3 or 4 of each design. I like that. So these are good, very good. And everything's on like a heavier cardstock, so that's really nice too. And look at these, modeled numbers. I'm digging these too. Seriously, it's like I picked this stuff out myself. We'll open this up and take a look at the numbers. Oh, these are a good size. And I like this blue, it's really pretty. And very trendy at the moment. Excellent. And these are also acetate stickers. Next we have flatback pearls, sticky, different sizes. That's a good thing. I must say I'm pleased with that. These are cute too. Journal stickers. 3 different collections and 2 of each. Looks like little memos and such. Look, a wee magnifying glass with a butterfly. Cute. Ooh, and look, a wee book of floral stickers. Nice. These look like those vintage botanical prints that you see. So maybe I could do something like that with these. All different flowers and plants. Really nice. And now this, I was really impressed with. Look at this pouch. How pretty is this? Let's see. What do you think's inside? Oh yeah, book pages. Vintage book pages. So, some of these look like they're encyclopedia pages. Yep, that's exactly what they are. Encyclopedia pages. And there's music sheets. This would be perfect for Mother's Day. It's the sheet music for Hail, Queen of Heaven, Ave Regina. Takes me back to the May processions at school as a kid. And then there's also a recipe for plum pudding. And here's a Mrs. Beaton's recipe. My mother-in-law gave me a Mrs. Beaton's apron when my husband and I first got married. I still have it. So yeah, this is really cool. Bringing up some memories. And here's some collage cards. Beautiful with Birtledeedles, aka birds. Really nice quality to them. A few of each design. Here are some with butterflies. That would be perfect for a junk journal. I think I said these were cards. They're actually background paper. They're so pretty. And these here, these are like Christmas and Yule ones. These are really nice. I really like them. And just like with everything else, there's several of each design, so you can't beat that. And I love this pouch. I just think this is so well put together. I'm totally digging it. Yeah, I am very impressed with this collection. I would definitely recommend it. Highly recommend it. And when I went to put this away, I realized there was something else still in the box. At first I thought it was a pen, but you know what it is? It's like a precise cutter. You know, like a detail blade, which will come in really handy. Make it easier to cut circles. I do have X-OXO knives, but this is specifically made to be held like a pen. I think this will work so much easier. Yeah, I'm looking forward to use this too. So, I am more than pleased with the subscription box. It's jam-packed full of lovely wee bits and bobs. I truly couldn't have done better if I hand-selected each item. Fabulous selection and quality, not to mention quantity. Yeah, I'm looking forward to exercising some creativity with all of these options. If you like what you saw, be sure to grab your 15% discount. The code is Monica15. The link is pinned in the comments and in the description box. You can get a subscription box or purchase items individually. This is their month of March selection, and I'm over the moon with it. I'd also like to mention that Grabie has a fund called the Grabie Art Fund that provides art supplies for those who can't afford them. They donate $1 from every order into the fund. They're also environmentally conscious, aiming for zero waste in development and production. So that's pretty awesome. I want to thank Grabie for sponsoring this video. Be sure to keep an eye on my channel to see how I use these goodies in upcoming videos. And if you have any ideas about what I should do with this stuff, drop it in the comments. Would love to hear. Stay creative, my friends. Thanks for hanging with me. See you next time. Up all night with Monica.